Alright everybody, I'm back. We're going to do a little quick one here. We're just going to take a look at the maximum and the minimum function. We may have done this before, I don't remember, but just in case I'm going to do it again. The syntax for max is you can give a list of numbers or you can give a range of numbers. Now if I want to find the maximum of these values in this column, but really if I were looking for the maximum of all of these, could I select the entire range? The answer is yes, you can. So I'm going to do that here. I'm going to select this entire range and let's see if that will work. Sure does. That's the largest value there. 403.34 at 10%. That does sound like look like the highest payment. The minimum. Select the whole range. There's the smallest one in the table. Smallest one's over here, largest one's over here. We shouldn't be surprised by that. Now, I just wanted to show you that you can find the maximum of a whole array. It doesn't have to be a single column or a single row. You can have a whole block of numbers to do a maximum on. This is what I want to do though. I want to get the maximum of this column, which is here. Select the entire range, hit enter. Same thing here. For the min function, select just this range and return. Now when I pull it across, what do I want to hold still? The columns or the rows? Or do I want to hold anything still? Well, let's find out. That worked. Okay. So now notice the only thing I was doing was pulling it across, so the only thing I would have to worry about changing would be the columns, right? Because when you pull across, only the columns change. But do I want them to change? No. Right? And we're not pulling down, so we don't have to worry about the rows at all in this problem. Okay? These are the tricky questions you kind of have to ask yourself when you're pulling a formula across or down. Look at the value and say, does the column need to move? Does the row need to move? For each cell, you have to think about that. Alright, so if it worked for max, it'll work for min. And there we go, the maximum and the minimum for all these. Okay, now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about conditional formatting, and we'll do that in the next video. Thank you.